So you tell me, what do you understand by fraction and decimal?
Ma'am, fraction basically means part of a whole,
Hmm.
whereas decimal means like
Hmm. Decimal mean? Tell me. Decimal
it's
means?
like it has a whole
Hmm.
number and
Hmm.
the fractional part which is separated by the decimal point.
Okay, yes. So basically, for example, I said, let's just take an example, like 2 by 10, right? That's a fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And if you will convert it into decimal, it would be 0.2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that you get to know that, okay, what is fraction and what is decimal, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the first concept that we are going to study is the multiplication of fractions. Okay. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So what we are going to study? We are going to study multiplication of fraction. And then in the second half, like once we complete this, we will do the other part. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Hmm, okay. Now, whenever we multiply any fractions, right? So first thing, we will do different types. So first we will multiply it with the whole number. Clear? So first we are going to multiply it with the whole number. So now, ma'am, what is this whole number? Tell me. What is whole number? Tell me, Basim, what is whole number?
Ma'am, whole number means like
You can switch on the camera.
uh yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Hmm.
Ma'am, for example,
Hmm.
34.7,
Hmm. Hmm.
and in this the whole number is 34.
Okay. So for example, if you multiply any number with this, right? I'll just give you one
Yes,
example.
ma'am.
2 multiplied by 1 by 4. So what you will get?
Ma'am, you mean 1 by 4
Multiply.
of 2?
Yes. Yes. You multiply.
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
Yes. So first of all, it will like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Yes. So what is left? 1 upon 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's just understand this. What is the other part? Like now the fraction part is there. Okay. We are going to add. Okay. So now let's just understand. I'll just draw the diagrams for you. Okay. So for example, we have a circle. Okay. And this part is shaded. One part is shaded. Like this part is shaded. Clear? Okay. If you will, and there is one more, like we are going to multiply it. Okay. Clear? So this is again the other part. And in this, another part is shaded. Like this one. Okay. So what will be the final outcome? Like, do you tell me? What will be the final outcome?
Ma'am, 2 this will be shaded.
Yes, two parts would be shaded. First this one and then the other one. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay. So this is what is there. Okay. Now, okay, I'll give you one example. Okay. You tell me. Okay. I'll just share this picture with you. Okay. And you can draw this in a notebook quickly. Okay. Just because introduction part.
Ma'am, I drew.
Now, this is the question. Okay. So, what does this question says? The question says that in a class of 40 students, 1/5 of the total number of the student is like to study English. Okay. So, how you are going to do it? First, you will find out how many students basically like to study English. Okay. Clear?
Yes,
And then
ma'am.
you will find how many students basically like to study mathematics. Okay. Then you will find how many students basically like to study science. Clear? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now before you will start this, I'll tell you one thing. And that whenever we find something, for example, if you are finding this, I said that 1/4 of 40. For example, 1/4 of 40. Right? I have a number. I
Yes,
said
ma'am.
that 1/4 of 40. Like you have 40 rupees and I said that I want 1/4 of 40. Clear? So tell me how much I want. You have this 40 rupees with you. Okay? Like you have this 40 rupees with you. So now you tell me how much I want. So you don't know. So you will do 1 upon 4. Right? Like this.
Yes, ma'am.
And of means
Into
and 40. So 4. So basically I need
10.
10 rupees. Okay? Clear? Okay, so
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
how. So this is the question. You have to find this. Quickly do it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Tell me the answer. What you got?
Ma'am, first one is 8.
Hmm.
Second one is 16.
Correct.
And third one is 16 by 40.
Okay. 16 by?
40.
Okay. Very good. So I hope this is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will do the exam, like exercise. Clear? Okay. I'll give you some
Okay.
exercise question and we'll solve it. Okay, just a minute. I'll paste it. You can see it. Okay. So which of the drawings A to D, you have to match it up. Like first you will solve it. Okay. Clear? So
Okay,
what you
ma'am.
are like supposed to do, for example, the first one. Okay. First one, basically, for example, if it is this, 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5. So you will write it here. 2 multi. What's wrong? Okay. You will write 2. Wait a minute. What's wrong? Yeah, I'll write it here. 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Yes. So what you got? 2 upon 5. Now, from this, you have to find where you are getting this. Right? 2 upon 5. Or you have to find 1 upon 5. Where is 1 upon 5 out of this? Tell me.
Ma'am, 1 upon 5, it's there in the D.
D1. And how many are there? In the D1, how many are there? Tell me.
2.
Yes. So that's the answer. Clear?
Clear,
Okay.
ma'am.
So D1 like that you have to solve.
Ma'am, I finished.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, first one is to option D.
Hmm.
Second one is to option B.
Hmm.
Third one is to option A.
Hmm.
And the fourth one is to option C.
Correct. Very good. So I hope it's clear, right? So if these type of questions
Yes,
would
ma'am.
come, you can attempt it. Okay. So let's just sometimes I don't know why my Zoom stucks. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, this one. Okay.
Ma'am, the same one like that?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the first one is
Hmm.
goes to option C,
Hmm.
and the second one goes to option A,
Hmm.
and the third one goes to option B.
Correct. Okay. Second one was
Ma'am, option A.
correct. Okay, now you know how to multiply the things, right? So I'll give you some multiplication
Yeah.
question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This. Fine. Easy.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this question, I have just one small doubt, ma'am.
Hmm?
We should reduce even though we reduce it to the lowest form, we have to still convert it into a mixed fraction,
Y-
or if
yes.
we can't reduce only, we have to convert
Yes.
it.
If you convert it into the lowest form, for example, the answer was 12 divided by 6, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So if you get 12 divided by 6, then like that would be the like I'll tell you it here. So if 12 divided by 6 is there, that means your answer is 2, right? That is the lowest form. But in case if it is the final, like the last answer is 14 divided by 3. Yes. So it is not the last
Yeah.
answer, right? So you need to convert that into the mixed fraction.
Mixed
Okay.
fraction.
If you get a whole number, you don't need to find convert it into mixed fraction. If you don't get a whole number, then you will need to find. Okay.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, tell me the answer. Let's just quickly discuss the answer.
Ma'am, first one is 4 1 by 5.
Hmm. Correct.
Second one is 1 by 3.
Correct.
Third one is
Third.
1 5 by 7.
Correct.
Fourth one is 1 by 9.
Correct.
Fifth one is 2 by 3.
Correct.
Sixth one is 15.
Correct. Very good.
Seventh one is 6 by 7.
Correct.
Eighth one is 16.
Hmm.
Ninth one is 4 by 3.
Hmm.
10th one is 9.
Ninth one is 4 by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Check it once. What you were getting at last? 13 by 3. If you solve this mixed fraction, are you getting 13? 4 by 3 you said, no? Hmm. Done? Got it? The mistake?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, but when I'm dividing 13 by 3, I'm getting the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 1.
So it is QRD when you write in mixed fraction. Isn't it? So 4 would be there and then 1 upon 3 won't be the answer?
Ma'am, 4 1 by 3, ma'am.
Yes, this is what I was telling, that you wrote it wrong. You wrote it 3, what you wrote? 4 upon 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you multiply 3 with 1, you get 3 and then you add 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So the final answer is 7 upon 3, right? Yeah? Okay, and the last one, tell me.
Ma'am, the last one is
Hmm.
9.
Correct, that's correct. Okay, now I will give you the numbers and you will shade it. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just quickly. So I have to shade it. 1 upon 2 of this, first one. B1, 2 upon 3. So let's see how we do it. Basim, how you are doing it?
Ma'am, I'm doing like 1/2 into 12 like that.
Yes, yes, correct. Very good.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. So for the first one, how many you shaded? I'll shade it here. How many you shaded?
Ma'am, for the first one, I shaded 6.
Yes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the second one.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one.
9.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will give you the next one. Now, you remember I told you we have to find like 1 upon 2 of this, like that?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay, this is what you have to find now. Okay? Here you go. Okay? So 1 upon 2 of 24, then 1 upon 2 of 46, like that.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. So let's just discuss the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. First one. 1 upon 2 of 24.
12.
Okay. Correct. Next. 46.
23.
Correct. Next. 18.
12.
Correct. Next.
18.
Okay. Correct. Next.
12.
Correct. Next.
27.
Good. Next.
16.
Correct. Next.
28.
Correct. Very good. Now I will give you the question. You have to express that, like you will first multiply and then you will express that in the multiple form. Clear? Mixed form. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, first one, the answer is 15 3 by 5.
Correct. Second one.
Second one is 33 3 by 4.
Correct.
Third one is 15 3 by 4.
Correct.
Fourth one is 25 1 by 3.
Correct.
And
Fourth
fifth,
one is 24.
I mean 25 1 by 3.
I think that it's a mistake. Okay. Yeah. I'm just back. Okay. Can you read me the last one?
And
The last one?